I love adding beads to knotted rope on a tapestry. Knotting is a technique that's really simple. Basically, you knot the rope around the warp strings on the tapestry. It doesn't have to be uniform. You can go over 3 warps and then behind 2 or over 1. You can make lots of loops. Just make it as textural as possible. You can even knot before going behind the next warp string instead of going around the warp string. There are no rules, which makes this one of my favorite techniques because you can just play around until you get the look that you want. Knot as many rows as you want until you've filled the section. Now let's add some beads. You can use any beads you want, but I love to use thin sequin-like beads. Use your needle and go through the different loops from the knots. Guide your bead onto the thread and tuck it into the pockets made from the rope knots. Then guide your needle back towards the back side of the tapestry to lock it in place. You can place the beads wherever you want.